You know, for me, barbecue growing up was watching my older brothers cook pork steaks. So it was more of a grilling experience, but I always wanted to be the guy that got to grill the pork steaks. I wanted people to want me to cook them. So to me, that's where it kind of started. And it was maybe when I was not much older than my 11-year-old son, probably in my 12, maybe early teens, where I really remember thinking, I want to do that.
Barbecue to me is passion. And what we do is about creating the best piece of meat that you can to wow your friends. In our world, we're trying to wow the judges at competitions. Everything that we do moving forward and what we try to accomplish is great barbecue.
We met actually through an individual that I went to college with in Missouri. And so he happened to be his neighbor next door, and we sit there for a few times and we grilled a bunch together. And I think one of the first things he ever cooked for us was the country style ribs in the backyard on a barrel pit. This is our Texas Bold brisket rub. Bryan and I worked on it together. We created this probably over about a 5-6 year process in order to get to the point where we fell in love with this one. And this is the one where out of the bag, onto the brisket, this is what won. So this is the kind of stuff that as we went through the process and have made plenty of mistakes in the past, now we got to the championship level that hopefully people will be able to taste at home when they cook their brisket or steaks or burgers. Every region of barbecue is different. There's certain things I like about Kansas City style barbecue. I like Memphis style or St. Louis style barbecue for certain things. I have grown to love certain things about Texas barbecue. These barbecue regions have become closer than they have become further away. And I think that trend is going to continue for a while. So as a veteran, what it means to me to be able to give back, and the Sterling who won the pork competition and is part of the Twisted Q line with me, we've had opportunities throughout the community to do fundraisers that we're able to give back a substantial amount of money every year. And a lot of that is through the family idea of competition barbecue world, and we all kind of give to each other, we all help each other out with things that we're doing. If I could barbecue something for my dad, I would love to have a pit full of everything and show him everything that we've learned to do. Probably when I came to Texas almost 15 years ago, I'd never cooked a brisket in my life. And the level that I can put into a brisket now and the quality that comes out of it, I think he would absolutely love to sit down and have a conversation and share a slice or two of brisket with me. You may not win a single trophy. You may not win a ribbon. You may not win a piece of paper that says you got a walk. Doesn't mean you didn't try your best, but when I walk in and I see our trophies, I automatically feel a sense of pride. We did everything we could do the old-fashioned way. We tried our best. We've taken what we learned and tried to make it next level. That's what you do in order to become successful.